In this video, we'll be showing you how you can remove a payment method in your Lazada application or into your Lazada account. First, I want you to log in inside the app and then click the cards or head to the cards interface of your application, which is this. After clicking this, I want you to click the checkout. And here you will see all the existing payment method that is currently being used or implemented inside your app. For example, is the Maya account. This my account is used for the transaction for my payment method. So how can I remove this? Well, when you click to the view all methods, this is not removable in this page. So how you can remove this? So head again to your home interface and then click the account. Now I want you to click the Lazada wallet and then head to payment options. Now click the Maya or the current payment method that you are currently using when you are checking out. For example, is this. And here you have to click the three dotted icon and then click the delete payment option or basically the remove payment option. Once you click this, you just need to confirm it by clicking the yes delete button. And that's it. You have now removed your payment option or payment method in your Lazada, and thank you for listening.